Are you ready for the eye doctor?
No. What kind of...
What?
8 cars just went by. Look what red light's going to do.
Oh, I see them.
Yeah, it was like a whole row.
That's because probably people work around here. Guys, I barely slept last night. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm having my second energy drink of the day. But anyways, look at the weather, guys. We have a winter storm warning. That is awesome. Well, I mean, it's not, but I love snow, so this will be the first winter storm we have here. Guys, we're supposed to get 3 to 5 more inches of snow tonight. Let's go see what it's like out there.
I want you to send me this clip.
Huh?
Shut the door.
What? What?
The heat stays out here.
Hey, look, the plow.
This is going to be very scary.
What? What are you doing? Oh no, my battery's dying.
What?
Alright, so what are you about to do?
I'm going to go sled in our yard. And it's a steep hill.
Like, you've sledded before.
Not down a steep hill with this.
Yeah, you have.
Ends up with the street. Look at the drop off at the end.
Well, you don't have to do it there. You could do it right here.
Yeah, I can do a driveway, that's for sure.
I don't think I would even do it over there.
Well,
man, these are some huge snow. Oh, oh, oh! That went right in my eye.
Oh, show that.
What?
There's how much snow we got so far.
Yeah, I guess the snowflakes are huge though.
Yeah.
Oh wait, that reminds me. Turn around.
No. I want in the face.
Wait, what would happen if you washed the car right now? Would the water coming out of the hose like turn into ice?
Yes.
Mid-air?
No.
Oh.
After it hit the car, then we'll be able to clean.
Oh. How cold would it actually need to be for the water coming from the hose to like instantly freeze?
Minus, I think, 30 or 40 degrees.
Okay, well that's not happening.
It has happened before.
What, a century ago?
No, when you were born.
Oh.
20 years ago. Right after you were born, the temperature was minus 23 degrees, I think it was.
Fascinating.
Then there's never a cloud in the sky. Oh, this is going to be scary.
I mean, you don't have to go that... Actually, no, I don't think you even can because it's like rocky.
My ass is going to be on this.
Okay.
You don't come up?
I'll
Right to here. Stand under here.
well, I could just stand here and just film you going down. Wow, there's a lot of snow coming down. I'm getting cold. You don't have to go all the way up there. Where is he even going? Oh my god, he's going all the way up to the... Oh jeez. Oh my god. He's already crashing into branches. You crashed.
Yeah.
Into that branch. I threw snow at you. That just looked funny.
I stuck it in a hole.
Wow. Tired yet?
Does that say? Oh god, it's steep.
What is there? Some kind of black hole?
Yeah.
Well, we're getting a lot more snow overnight probably, and it's gonna be too cold for the snow to melt tomorrow. Right in the middle of the road. I mean, hey, that's one way to get rid of the snow in the driveway. You can actually hear it snowing.
I know, I can too.
That's weird. Oh, I missed.
Your turn.
Alright, hold the camera.
You going to?
Well, I mean, it is getting dark, so let's finish the rest of the snow adventures tomorrow.
I'm going to work tomorrow.
What?
9 a.m.
Huh?
9 a.m. I'm going to work.
Why?
Because I have to.
What do you mean 9 a.m.?
That's when they open.
What do you mean? I thought you go to work at 5.
Yeah, but they close till 9 a.m. tomorrow. This company cares about employees driving in the snow.
Wait, so you're coming home at 9 or going to work at 9?
I'm going to work at 9.
Oh.
They don't want people driving in the snow, so they said wait till 9 a.m. the roads will be clear.
There's no company that would do that in Pennsylvania.
No.
Okay, my hands are getting cold. Next day, and it's literally still snowing. Like, can you even tell with this phone? It's literally still snowing right now. Look, see. Hey guys, we're currently going to the city to fly a drone over the city. Any thoughts?
Yeah, I can tell you, I was thinking about flying it from Big Lots.
Big Lots?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, why is your car so dirty?
Ouch. Was it snowed?
What a snowy winterland.
It's pretty.
Do you think it's gonna snow again this year?
Yeah. What the fuck are you doing?
Your window is right open. They heard that. They heard loud and clear how angry you were.
I know.
Wow.
I was driving on my side of the road.
All right, we made it to a random parking lot in the city, and now we're gonna fly it. Oh my God, it's so sunny. Look, there's random snow on the wall of that building. Look.
Oh, somebody's probably throwing snowballs.
That doesn't look like random snowballs. That looks like a giant snowball was thrown at it. Oh wow, that's an electric car station over there.
Oh, good.
Ew. And there we go.
I'm getting better at it.
All right. All right, let's go back home and hope it actually recorded.
Yeah, I did.
All right, guys, we're gonna try to enjoy some of this snow before it's all melted because it's already pretty melted already.
Look, grass.
No, grass. How? It's only the first day of melting.
I know.
Yesterday it was like 22 degrees. Ugh.
And there was 4 inches or 9 inches here.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, there was a deer here.
There was a deer?
Yeah.
Maybe it was an alien.
Yeah.
Wait, I have an idea.
Oh.
Why is the snow so bubbly over here?
I don't know.
Look, see?
Maybe from falling off the trees. Here, I'll trade you.
What? Okay.
Rock. Oh shit, I think I forgot. You gotta do it again. I think I looked down too far.
There's barely any snow left.
I know. I didn't think it would melt this much. I mean, it was 15 degrees at 9:30. Don't, it'll blow away. If it rolls down the mountain, we'll never see it again.
Hey, we don't have any icicles.
That's because it warmed up now. Oh shit, the outside light's still on.
Oh well.
Oh my god, the trim blew all the way off.
Huh?
The trim blew all the way off.
Whoa, I didn't notice that. I didn't know that happened. How did that even happen?
I don't know.
Look, I think all of it's gonna come off. See?
Yeah, I might have to do something to it.
Wait, let me go down here. I slipped. You hit the tree.
Oh, thank God I didn't hit it with my leg.
You hit it with your leg?
I said thank God I didn't.
Oh. Did you see me? I slipped coming down here.
Yeah. Oh, now there's no snow here.
I know.
Look.
How did it all melt so fast? It's not even like 50 degrees. Well, this is our backyard. Wait, I see a lump of snow right there. I put all that snow above me, on me.
Yeah, and then clear off the thing there.
Did all of it come down?
There's still some more over there. Go back.
Oh.
Go back to that one.
What? Oh, this? There's like acorns. We have 3 acorns.
I know, I see.
This is our own tree.
Yep.
Isn't that weird?
I know. Here. Ah. Don't.
You
What?
didn't film me.
Oh, that's because you hit me.
Well, now I have snow in my glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, there's more over here.
Hey, you can slide right there. Oh, careful. That's sharp there.
What's sharp?
Those rocks.
What are you looking at?
This hill. You can slide down there.
No, I can't because there's all these rocks.
I know.
We would break a bone.
Probably. Where's my glove? Just keep it away from my eyes.
Aren't you getting surgery on that?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, is there supposed to be snow on that? Isn't that the heater and the air conditioner?
Yeah.
Ooh. How did it even work with all that snow on it?
Oh, it does.
Is that even good?
I don't know.
I'm like pretty sure that's not supposed to have snow on it when it's trying to heat up the house. Couldn't that explode?
I don't think it will explode. They actually put a wooden cover over it.
Alright, I guess we go inside now. This is our tiny backyard. What can we really do with this backyard?
I don't know.
I mean, you could
Put a sauna out here.
You could put something here. What?
Just walk up and see what that house looks like.
No, that's an abandoned house, I think.
Yeah, it is.
I think hobos live in it too.
I don't know. Let's go look at it.
Didn't the guy next door say that some special people live there?
No. They said somebody showed up there and took the water heater out of it.
We should put like stairs up here or something. And maybe put like a little, I don't know, landing or something. Yeah, what is with this house up here?
Actually, a nice house.
Does anyone live in it? There's never a car there.
Yeah.
Does anyone really?
Open up top.
What?
The window's open.
It could have been open this entire time.
Yeah.
And that's our house down there. Don't fall down.
I know.
Why don't you just roll down like a potato? I keep slipping because it's so slanted.
I know.
That's like the third time I've slipped.
Well, they should the other property lines.
Oh, this is a project. Ugh. Alright, I'm trying to get down. Oh, that's weird. The camera shut off. I hope that didn't stop the recording. I just slipped down the mountain. In case I deleted the footage, we were out here enjoying the snow. I slipped. Oh god, how can I get down here? This is impossible. Let me see. How have you not slipped yet?
I almost slipped the last time when you did.
Oh, that hurt. That hurt my neck for some reason.
Yeah, remember, I got boots on with gave a little bit more traction.
Hey, look, it's snowing. It literally just snowed again on top of you.
I know it did. I fell.
Oh, that actually that hurt my butt. Oh. Ow. I can't. Ow.
Oh.
Why am I slipping so much?
Oh, those stickers are made for outside.
I hit my hand on that rock. I'm hanging on to this thing.
Good idea.
That's like 4 times with the camera in my hand too. Okay, my hand hurts. Oh, I almost slipped there. I'm gonna go over here where there's no snow. Whoa. Oh my god, your car is dirty.
I know.
We need to clean it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll do better early again tonight.
Guys, I just found out that the footage that we got from the drone does not exist. We tried to fly the drone over the city to see, you know, the snow everywhere. That doesn't exist. It's because my dad put a faulty memory card in it, and the problem is it didn't record on his phone for some reason. So I don't have that footage now, and that's annoying. That probably would have been some cool footage. I guess we have to wait until the next winter storm to do it, I guess, because by tomorrow the snow will be melted. There's like barely any snow around our house now. So now I have no idea what to title this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, because there's not really much else I can add to this video. See you later. Bye.